Hi ladies, and finally, skincare routine video. You have been asking me for months, if not years now, and here it is. So I'm going to talk you through my usual skincare routine, and I'm the one who is a real trier. I like to hop around, try different things, but to be quite honest, if there is one brand that I've really sticked with and that I can truly say is the best brand I've ever used, that is Biologique Research. So ladies, this is a brand I really believe in, so if you're gonna get at least one takeaway from this video, that is Biologique Research. Go and get it and you will see what I'm talking about. Anyway, that was not sponsored, by the way, because Biologique, they never sponsor anyone. They're like one of the most low-key brands ever, so just to kind of clarify that. All right, so let me start with my routine. Should I put my hair up? I don't know. No, I prefer it out. Okay, I think that's enough. So, what do we start with? Obviously, I have a face full of makeup. Some people say, Anna, where do you get that beautiful glow from? Well, ladies, this is not glow. This is just probably grease. I have a normal to oily skin, and you know, in the end of the day, my skin tends to get a bit glowy, and that's because it's just oil. Now, I also need to inform you that I do have medium thick skin, so the products that I will be showing might not be working as well for you as they do for me. So let's start with removing my makeup. And I actually have two things here. I have both a Bioderma. Basically, one is just that this one I use for travel or when I'm lazy, and this one is what I use when I want to properly remove my makeup, because I can really soak up as much as I want. Plus, this one is good because I have eyelash extensions and it doesn't affect the eyelashes badly. Because some are oil-based and they will literally remove your lashes, but this one is fine. So, which one am I going to use today? I think because I'm filming, I'm just going to use these because it's easier. I don't want to mess around with this one today. Whew. Nice and dirty. Okay. Throwing that away. So now I'm obviously going to wash my face. Currently, the exfoliating cleanser that I use is this one. It's from Obagi and it's for normal to oily skin. I really like this one because it's gel. I know some people use lotions and so on, and I've really tried doing that. Cannot get used to it. And sadly, my favorite brand, Biologique, they only have lotion cleansers, which is not my thing. So therefore, I'm using Obagi. This one I like. Okay, I'm gonna go quickly and wash my face and I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. Ooh, I feel so pale. So my face is nice and clean now. I actually washed it twice to really, you know, get rid of as much makeup as possible and really just kind of exfoliate it. Now, next step is, of course, the toner. Now, this is my little baby. Those who have been watching me on Instagram know that I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this bottle. I'm so obsessed that it's actually empty right now. This is how much I've been using it. And sadly, when I went to Four Seasons in Geneva the other day, and they're the only ones who sell it, they don't sell it in Switzerland apparently, because this little thing is not allowed to be sold in Switzerland. Apparently it's too strong, so I have to go to London or in other countries to get it, so I'm gonna stock up next time I go. It's the lotion P50 that I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, anyone who has sometimes outbreaks will thank me if you use this on your acne. I do get small breakouts occasionally as well, especially because of the cycle. Putting on this one, it kills the acne immediately. Next day you wake up with fresh skin and I love this one. I'm so sad that it's empty, but just for the kind of, you know, for the importance of using lotion, because I'm going to put on a face mask in a second, I'm actually going to use this bottle in this video. I don't know how you pronounce this brand in English, because the name for me sounds Swedish. Ren, as we say in Sweden. And ren means clean. I don't know where this one is from, but I do know that this brand they sell it like in Whole Foods and in kind of organic places. So I think that this is kind of an organic type of skin brand. It's good. They don't test on animals. That's great. We like that. So I'm just gonna put it on my face for today, or you know, until I wait for this one. Okay, to be quite honest, I've actually never used it, so I'm literally unpacking the bottle as we speak. I got this one in a goodie bag, so might as well just try it out, you know? I have tried other products from this brand and I do like them, so I do have high hopes that this one will work. I do like this thing as well. It's very, very comfortable. Has a weird smell. Okay, so here we go. Okay, it does actually sting, this one. I do like it though when they sting. The Biologique one, oh my god, it stings like there's no tomorrow. But that's a good thing. Especially first time when you use it, but eventually your skin gets used to it, so yeah. Okay, I think I'm done. Twice a week I apply face mask. Twice or 3 times, or sometimes just kind of when I feel like my skin needs it. I do like sheet masks. Let me go and show you which one I usually use. So I like this brand. I don't know if you can see it, because I'm literally filming through my mirror. So I don't know if you can see properly. It's, what are they called? Dr. Jart. Really good sheet masks. These ones are like Hydro Solution, it's called. Deep hydration. I always use them when I'm flying, because I really want to have like fresh skin when I arrive and make sure it doesn't get dehydrated. But actually today I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use another one. By the way, keep this in the fridge. Applying a cold sheet mask is like heaven, especially if you're in a warm country. So today I'm going to use instead Skin Cuticles. This one is really good, another hydrating one. I do use mainly hydrating masks. If I have very dirty skin, like a bit of breakouts and so on, I would use a mud mask. Different brands, I think most mud masks are good. The best one is usually, what are they called? Oof, I forgot the name. If I remember, I will put it out there. Okay, so going back to Skin Cuticles, let me apply. This one you should put on for maybe 15 minutes, but I'm gonna do half an hour because I always like to do more than what they tell you to do. I don't trust their instructions. Okay, so generous layer. You know, I'm all about generosity. It's basically just a see-through mask, and I can feel a little bit of tingling, which is good. Okay, now we're done. You will catch me in about 30 minutes, so talk to you then. Okay, I'm back. Washed off my face mask, so now my skin feels really clean and nice, and this feels so pleasant. Let's talk a little bit about the things I would put on my face. Serums. Biologique Research. Let me show you which ones I use. This one is called Dermapore. And this one is their Placenta Serum. This is how the bottle looks up close so that you know. Oops. Although I praise Biologique and I love them, and oh my god, I wish they could just sponsor me forever and ever. Although they don't. But if they do, I just love Biologique, so... But I'm going to be 100% honest and transparent with you ladies. I don't know if I like these serums that they do. I've tried different variations of these, but I think I'm gonna stop buying these kind of watery serums that they have. Number one, I do not like this whole configuration. The fact that you have to, like, you know, kind of do this and kind of do like that on your face, and the fact that it's kind of just like water. I don't know, I'm used to serum being a bit more thicker and more easy to apply. So the application process of this is annoying. Second of all, I have just not seen any kind of differences or results from these two serums. Now, Dermapore was supposed to kind of help me with my enlarged pores. Did not see a difference whatsoever. The Placenta was kind of there to help me with my remaining acne scars that I had from my acne years. Haven't really seen a big difference. My acne scars have actually naturally faded away with years. I'm going to apply these. The Dermapore, I'm gonna just like apply on my pore area. Yeah, it's like really stupid how you apply this one. You just add a few drops and then you kind of blend them out. So I have a little bit of pores there, and yeah, that's it. Now the placenta one I will put on my acne places, or scar area, or maybe a little bit everywhere actually. Might as well. At this point I just want to kind of finish these bottles. But I'm looking at them and it's a long way to go. The positive things is that these actually last a long time. All right, I'm gonna put on my forehead as well, just for the sake of it. Okie dokie. So another serum from Biologique that I use that is a bit better in my opinion, it's this one. Serum Pigment 400. So this one is a brightening serum and I use it on my sunspots. Yes, I have sunspots. Maybe it's because of age, maybe it's because I used to be an idiot in the past and I actually used to avoid SPF because I wanted to have a bronzed face, and I also used to apply oil on my face, no SPF, and go out in the strong Mediterranean sun and just like fry up my face so that I can have a tan on my face. Oh my God, do I regret doing that. But this is what sometimes you do when you're younger and for vanity reasons. So my sunspots are located here as a mustache, which is fabulous in summer because then it shows even more, and here on the sides. And then I might have a little bit there as well actually. I can see a few have popped out since I went to Maldives. Okay, now this serum, it's at least it's a little bit more creamy, so not as watery as the other serum, so I do appreciate this one. Do I think that this serum has helped me with my spots? A little bit, yes, but it hasn't removed them, and this is kind of the third month that I'm using the serum. I think to fully remove my spots, I probably have to do laser, so laser is definitely one of the things on my to-do list, but like I said, I have to find time for it. Another product that I use, but I'm actually not going to use it today because I have recently been on holiday and you cannot use it in combination with sun exposure. I'm talking about a retinol cream from Obagi Zo Skin Health. So this one is a retinol skin brightener, it's called. 0.5% retinol. Why do people use retinol? It's really for anti-aging purposes. It's really for removing the old dead skin and just like let the kind of young skin come out. So what else do we have? I'm going to apply my night cream, and this is the cream that I use. Biologique Research again. How is this pronounced? Crème Echinoderm or Complex Biomarine. Okay, fabulous pronunciation. I love Biologique, and especially for their creams. Their creams are amazing, and this is how they look like. Yeah, I apply like a generous layer. Like this cream is expensive, but it does last you quite a long while. And I can really feel how my skin improves. I don't know, like I cannot explain exactly, but I can just see it, I can just feel it. And it's the small details that matter, you know, when it comes to appearance and skin and so on. If this would have been a video where I prepare for my daytime activity, then I would have applied my current Daily Power Defense cream from Obagi. And I like this one. It's very kind of simple, it's not oily, it's light and perfect for my skin, kind of perfect for every day. Unfortunately, it's almost finishing, but I think I'm gonna get a cream from Biologique as well for daytime because I just love them, and you know, I like to change products. So then of course, last step, apply SPF. This is the one that I use from Zo Skin Health. What's it called? Smart Tone Broad Spectrum Sunscreen. SPF 50, ladies. You don't go lower than 50. Listen to your dermatologist. They are right, okay? Now, I'm not going to apply it now for obvious reasons, but I can tell you that this one is really good and I will definitely buy it again. The reason for that is it's not oily. It doesn't feel heavy on your skin. Plus, it actually evens out your skin tone. This one is like not a CC cream, but it does something that it's just your skin tone looks more even with this one. You don't necessarily need to wear foundation after, which is great. So yeah, this one I can truly recommend. And what else? That's it. that was my skincare routine video. I hope you enjoyed it and you've been waiting for this one so long. So please let me know if you have any comments and of course what other videos you would love to see in the future. Now make sure you watch the rest of the videos on my channel because as usual I have loads of content just waiting for you. So I will see you in the next video.